If you want to get your fill of local flavor, you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Emily, a registered dietitian for Stop & Shop, and this is A Taste of Local. Today, we're highlighting in-season local produce with an easy recipe featuring spring mixed with arugula from Little Leaf Farms in Devens, Massachusetts. We're proud to partner with Little Leaf because they can offer in-season produce all year long, thanks to their hydroponic growing process and greenhouses. This matters because one of the biggest benefits of local is that in-season produce is picked at peak ripeness, offering you amazing freshness. And today's corn and avocado salad recipe is proof of how delicious salads can taste when you use local produce. We'll start by having these beautiful cherry tomatoes, and then set those aside for now. Next up, we have our corn. Nothing beats fresh in-season corn. And this local corn is grown at Galensky Farms in South Deerfield, Massachusetts, and is available at area Stop & Shop stores. And we'll set the corn aside for now. Next, we have our avocado. Now, avocados aren't quite local, but they are packed with nutrients like heart-healthy unsaturated fats and fiber. Plus, the rich creaminess perfectly complements the crisp of the lettuce. For the dressing, you'll need some lime juice, some fresh garlic, olive oil, and just add a pinch of salt and pepper. And then give that a good whisk. And then we'll set that aside for now. Then grab your spring mix. This is packed with vitamins A and K. And let's add in all of our colorful vegetables. And then we'll whisk in our dressing. And give that a good toss. And now it's time to plate our salad. Grab your bowl, and then grab a nice big scoop of our fresh summer salad. And then we're going to top it off with some feta, and that will add a nice savory kick. And there you have it, a delicious summer salad. Remember, you can make every meal better with a taste of local. For this recipe and to see Stop & Shop's selection of locally sourced items, head to stopandshop.com/local. Thanks for watching.